Hi everyone, welcome back to Lordhair. I'm James and today I'm going to be talking to you about this hair system that I have on my head. So keep watching and we're going to talk all about this hair. Okay, so let's give you some information about this system. So let me just scroll down. I'm on my laptop so I get all the information right for you. So the base size is 8x10. Of course you can have that customized to your size. The base material is transparent skin base. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 shades. The hair length is 5 inches before cutting. The hair density is medium light, 30mm curling wave. Mine's obviously straight because I've straightened it. A freestyle hair direction and undetectable durable light, easy to attach and clean. Base. Okay, so this is a stock hair system, which means you can order it now and it can be dispatched the same day. But I have mine customized a little bit because I do have hair underneath this. So they add clips on for me. That is optional. You can have it just how it is and you can get your hairdresser to cut the base and whatnot. But you can have it customized, which is great for me because I haven't got a clue how to cut a base on a hair system. I get my hairdresser to cut the hair. They add the clips for me. From Lordhair add the clips. So all I have to do is really nothing. I did colour this system a few times and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about that as well. Okay, so the colour system that I ordered was 20. 20 is very yellowy kind of orangey tones. It's basically the only kind of shade of blonde that I can get from China. So I do have to colour this hair, which I did colour it and it's come out. I'm going to insert some pictures as well of how it looked before I coloured it and after, so you get a rough idea of what the colour would be when it arrives. Okay, so as you can see, that's quite a difference from how it looked originally. So I'm really happy with the shade it's come out. It could probably do with another tone, to be honest, but I don't think it's a really big deal. I'm happy with it. It's blonde. It's blonder than what it was, so I'm really happy. So, shedding. I am experiencing a little bit of shedding with this system, and that is because when you get the system from China, that colour has already been bleached. When it gets home to me, I'm colouring it again. And I actually coloured the system twice because that shade was quite stubborn and it really did not want to budge. So I did the system twice. So I am getting a little bit of shedding, like if I kind of pull too hard, I'm getting a bit of shedding. So I'm trying to be really gentle with this system. But yeah, I think the base may be a little bit damaged because of all the bleaching and colouring and all that whatnot. And you know, also hair systems do not last forever. It's not hair growing from your head, so you have to bear that in mind. If you want them coloured and bleached and whatnot, they won't last as long. But anyway, I'm going to try and get in a little bit closer. I tried to look camera ready today, but I think I'm looking a bit washed out. The light's so bright. I've got so much light in here right now. I've made all behind me really dark and I've tried to blast all the light here, so it's a little bit bright. So this is the hair. The hair is really nice. It's Indian. I don't know if it's Indian hair or Remy hair. I'm not too sure, but it's definitely human hair. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna go into depth more about this hair, like showing you how I put it on and whatnot in another video. But yeah, the hair is nice. This is a skin base. It is a little bit purple. I'll explain why. My hair dyes, the ones that I use to get this shade, tends to leave a purple staining on a skin base. So if you ever see me out and about wearing one of these, if you get close into my head, you'll probably see that my scalp looks purple because the dye leaves me looking a little bit purple on the base. But I get this colour from it, so I'm not too bothered. But yeah, this is the hair. It's really nice. The density is medium light, which just suits me. Anything more looks too thick, then it looks too false. So I stick with medium light. I have it all kind of chopped into my hair. I have a little bit of a fringe and the rest kind of all like chopped in. Yeah, I love it. I think it looks really good. I like this system. I like the colour. I think the hair quality is lovely. Just a little bit shedding, but other than that, I think this looks totally real. What do you think? Guys, so final thoughts on this hair. I really do like it. It's really, really nice hair. It does have the shedding issue, which is probably down to me because I had to colour it a few times to get rid of that orangey tone. But I think it's really lovely hair. It's probably one of the nicest systems I've had in a while, and I've had quite a few now from other companies. So it's nice. I like the hair. It feels very soft. The only thing is with a skin-based system is you have that noise, which is a little bit annoying, but yeah. Anyway, I'm probably going to be doing a video on how I actually attach this system to my head, so look out for that. So yeah, that's that from me, and thank you for watching this video.